In front of me is POCO F7 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching recorder and hitting allow and while using in all pop-ups. Then hit this gear at the top right corner to operate all of those options however you wish to. When you're ready, go back and click on this button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. To pause it or unpause it, click on the right one. To hide or see AI speech recognition, click on this X or select AI speech recognition here. To change language of it, click on your language at the bottom left corner and tap on a chosen one. If you want to add a bookmark, you can pause your recording and click on this flag on the left, or continue it and click on the flag wherever you want to. To end it and save it though, click on the same middle button. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it, hit allow. To manage it, use all of those options and tap on those three dots at the top right corner to operate all of those. You can also hold it here and, for example, rename it or get rid of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!